Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on quickly to show you a bag that I have purchased recently off of the Fossil website. This is a beaded bag in the purple, brown, and white beads. It has a white Fossil tag that is stitched into the bead work right here. It is a very cute bag. It has wood handles on the bag that can be carried on your wrist or in your hand. Here is the front of the bag. This is the back of the bag. There are no zippers or buttons or snaps on this bag. There's no metal work on this bag. Here is the bottom of the bag. It's nicely stitched in the brown beaded trim with purple. Very nicely done, very tight woven. As I said, inside the bag there are no zippers, there are no pockets, there are no snap closures. This is the inside of the bag. I have put just a few items in here for my afternoon out. Starting with my wallet. This is a Fossil snap closure wallet in the gold sparkle. I thought complemented the bag very nicely. It's the front of the wallet. This is the back of the wallet. It has a coin pocket right here. The wallet opens like this. There's a 2 pocket for cards, which I've doubled up the cards. It has 1 large opening at the back for bills. It has 2 pockets here, one being an ID pocket with the gold snap closure. It's the wallet I have chosen for the bag. I have also added a compact mirror to the bag. I have also put in a hair scrunchie. I've also put in pincer clip, as well as there are 2 hair pretties in the bottom of the bag. I have everything else that I need in this bag. As you can see, glitter is my favorite color, which again I thought went very nicely with the bag. When this is in the bag and your bag is on your arm, you can't truly tell what is inside the bag. It does just have a nice glitter to it, a nice background color, as opposed to a red or white cosmetic bag inside. So I did keep that in mind. That's my personal choice, of course. This bag is so much fun. Anything would go with this bag. And in my glitter pouch, I have put in here my eyelash curler for the day. I have put in the Bath and Body Works Coconut Macaroon Hand Cream. I have put in my Everyday Camille hand cream. I have just a little bit of a fancier hair clip in here. A lipstick. My dress that I'm wearing for the day is a black and gray. So I've put the black in here and I put the gray in here. Haven't quite decided. This is day and evening. This, like I said, everything will pop in here. Again, here is the bag. It is a very cute Very sturdy, very close woven bag. The beautiful white accented trim, the purple beading, and the brown beads. These beads actually look pink when they're on the website, but when your bag arrives, and it is here, they do tend to be a deeper tone, almost a purple, which I think is just complements this bag so nicely. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. Hope to see you soon.